Welcome to the project demonstration of remote controlling system of high efficiency and intelligent street light using Zigbee network, and this one is Zigbee receiving part and this one is Zigbee transmitting part. Here in this project we are using transformer. Transformer will work as it will convert 230 volts of AC into 12 volts of AC, and this one is RPS board where we can see rectification, filtration and regulation from this 12 volts DC, 12 volts of AC. It will the bridge rectifier will convert to 12 volts AC to DC, 12 volts DC, where the regulation will give 5 volts of constant DC. From this 5 volts of constant DC, from this 5 volts of constant DC, it will supply 5 volts to the all components. It is breadboard which will distribute 5 volts supply, and this one is LER. Here we can see 3 LERs. Two are for light fault LDRs and one is for day and night LDR which may use, and these two are entry IR sensor and this one is exit IR sensor, and this one is microcontroller which is the main part of the project, and this one is LCD. It will show the values of the light and light intensity. And coming to transmitting part, here we are using LCD and microcontroller, USB TTL, Zigbee and GSM module. Now we will see the demonstration of project. We are running the power supply for the tip, and we can see here welcome to the project indication. And we are owning the transmitting section. Here we can see the light is full, that's why the lights get off. When we press on here, then it indicates that it is in night mode, and the LEDs get on with the help of these transistors. Here we can see mode night, and L1 is 50, L2 is 50. When the here we can see it is day mode in transmitting section, in receiving section. When I am pressing light dark to the LDR sensor, then we can see in the transmitting section the LCD display and receiving section the LCD display. Now the light 1 is 50% and light 2 is 50%. When the IR detected with the vehicle and the mode of the light is 100%, it will give 100% when the entry of the IR is detected, and the exit of the IR is detected, then it will show the 50% of the light intensity. When we off manually the LEDs, now the sunlight is there, so that's why I am offing the another LED. Then we can see the light one is fault, and again we'll see on second light. Now the light 2 is fault. In transmitting section also it will detect the same data. Now we are inside the SIM in GSM module to check the SMS alert. When the light blinks fastly, then it may contain the SIM is not detected. When the light blinks slowly, then the SIM is detected in GSM module. Now, when the light fault is detected, then the SMS will come to the message, the registered mobile number. Now we will check the while SMS is coming or not. I remove the slot L1 light, and we will see light L1 fault. The message has received light L1 fault, and we are removing light L2 fault manually. In this way, the GSM module will work, and we are using USB TTL to check in laptop. Now we are connecting to laptop. It is connected. Now we can see the data of the mode night, and light is 50%. Now we are connected to laptop. The shown data in the LCDs will display the same on the laptop, where the fault occurs and the light intensity is 50% or 100%. We can see in the laptop also. Where the light line light 1 fault and light 2 fault in mobile phone and laptop, the two ways to show the street light working properly or not. In this way, this project will be worked. Thanks for watching.